What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add friends in Skate 4. So first of all, find any of the player in your city and then go toward them. Then press and hold R3 button or your right analog stick, and once you hold it, that player profile will be shown, and then you can just scroll down here and select add EF friend, and the friend request will be sent. And once they accept your request, you both will be added as friends. But if you wanna add your own friend by searching his name, then firstly we need to pause our game and then press R1 or RB to switch over to the social tab. Then press RT on Xbox or R2 on PlayStation to switch over to the search tab, like so. Then search for your friend name. So let's say my friend name is Jack, then I can just search here, and once the search results appear, you can select your friend from here and then add them as your EF friend. And once they accept your invite from the request tab, you both will be added as friends. If you wanna find your friend more easily, then simply ask them for their AID, and they can find their AID from the top left corner of their screen. You can see that is my AID. Anyone can use that AID to find me more easily. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.